In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tags in Microsoft Planner. Tags, which are also called labels in Planner, are a simple way to organize tasks and make them easier to scan at a glance. They're especially useful when you want to group work by priority, department, status, or any category that makes sense for your team. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to access labels, apply existing ones, and rename them so they're more meaningful. To get started, open your plan in Microsoft Planner and go to the grid view. This view gives you a clear, structured list of your tasks, which makes it easier to update task details quickly. If you're not already there, click on Grid to switch into that layout. Once you're in Grid view, find the task you want to work with and click on Add Label. This is where you can begin tagging the task. Labels in Planner are color-coded, which helps make them visually easy to identify. When you click Add Label, Planner opens the available label options connected to that plan. From here, you can select any of the current labels that are already set up. This is the quickest way to tag a task if your team already has a labeling system in place. For example, labels might be used to mark tasks as urgent, internal, review, or follow-up. Simply click the label you want, and it will be applied to that task. You can usually add more than one label if needed, which is helpful when a task fits into multiple categories. If the existing labels aren't named clearly enough, you can also edit them. To do that, click the pencil icon next to the label area. This allows you to change the label name so it better matches the way you and your team work. Renaming labels is a good idea because default color labels by themselves can be vague. Giving them clear names makes your plan easier to understand for everyone involved. After clicking the pencil icon, go ahead and change the label name to whatever is most useful for your workflow. Try to keep label names short, specific, and consistent. That way, when you apply them across multiple tasks, your plan stays organized and easy to manage. And that's how to use tags in Microsoft Planner. Once you start using labels consistently, it becomes much easier to filter, review, and manage tasks across your plan. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.